I'm meteorologist Alex O'Brien, and this is Taking Science by Storm. Today we're learning all about hail.
How it forms, how it stays suspended in a cloud, and how you can measure it yourself. Definition. According to the American Meteorological Society, hail is precipitation in the form of balls or irregular lumps of ice, always produced by convective clouds, nearly always cumulonimbus.
So how do balls of ice form and stay suspended in the air? And how does hail fight gravity? It's experiment time. What you need for this experiment is a hairdryer and 2 or more ping pong balls. Feel free to pause the video now to gather these items and come back to do the experiment with me. So turn the hairdryer on low on a cool temperature setting. Orient the hairdryer so the air is flowing upwards. Add 1 ping pong ball and observe. Tilt the hairdryer to a 45-degree angle and then observe again. Add in the next ping pong balls and see what happens.
This experiment helps us learn how hail works, so let's dissect the cloud. In a thunderstorm, warm, buoyant air rises in the updraft. Cooler, sinking air forms the downdraft. Raindrops are lofted thousands of feet into the air where the temperature drops below 32 degrees, and they freeze into tiny hailstones. Hail will bob up and down in the updraft and gather supercooled rain droplets and continue to grow. Sometimes hailstones collide and freeze together. Hail falls when the updraft weakens or when the hail becomes too heavy for the strength of the updraft.
When measuring hail, we can use a ruler or a referenced size to a common object.
Pea-sized hail is a 1/4 inch in diameter. Golf ball-sized hail is 1.75 inches in diameter. A severe thunderstorm warning will be issued if radar imagery indicates a hail size of 1 inch in diameter or greater, or the size of a quarter.
The largest hailstone on record in the United States fell in Vivian, South Dakota on July 23, 2010.
It was a whopping 8 inches in diameter. According to the National Weather Service, the estimated updraft speed of the Vivian hailstorm was 160 to 180 miles per hour. In Colorado, the record stands at 4.83 inches in diameter. This hailstone fell in Bethune, Colorado on August 13, 2019.
And always remember to seek shelter if a storm is approaching, because hail and lightning are very dangerous. For News 5, I'm meteorologist Alex O'Brien. See you next time on Taking Science by Storm.